Hi friends, this is Katerina from the Evolution of Stitches, and in this video tutorial I am going to show you how to knit the evergreen sweater. There is another video tutorial on how to knit the evergreen sweater for adult size, but in this video I'm going to show you how to knit it for a baby between 12 to 18 months. Of course, the evergreen sweater is size adjustable, and if you follow the video with the calculations, you can knit it for any size you prefer. For this baby sweater, I have used 4 skeins of 50 grams each, but there were some leftovers. My needles were size 5 and I used knitting needles of size 3 for the lateral braid. For this sweater I used this yarn, which is 100% wool and belongs to group C, so it's of medium weight. Now I'm ready to cast on my stitches. The number of the cast on stitches will be calculated using the body measurements of the person who is going to wear the sweater and your gauge. Please watch the tutorials on how to measure the body and how to calculate the stitches. I have already calculated the number of cast on stitches that I need, so I'm going to cast on 94 stitches plus 1 stitch, which I am going to use in order to join the sweater in the round. I'm going to knit the evergreen sweater for the baby from bottom up instead from top down, as I did for the evergreen sweater for a month's size. So please cast on the number of stitches you need for the size you are knitting, and then please meet me. We are going to knit the rib edge. I have cast on the stitches I need plus 1 because now I'm going to use this extra stitch in order to join my stitches in the round. What I'm going to do is to take this extra stitch from the left needle onto the right needle, and then I'm going to take this stitch, which used to be my first stitch on the right needle with the working yarn, and pass it over that extra stitch. I'm going to pull the tail, so in this way I got rid of this extra stitch, and now I'm ready to start knitting my rib edge. I am going to knit a 2x2 rib edge, so I am going to knit 2 stitches and purl 2, knit 2 and purl 2, and I'm going to do this until I have 4 centimeters of rib stitch. Here I am again. I have knitted my rib. I have knitted 4 centimeters of rib stitch. Now I'm at the beginning of the round and I'm going to start knitting stockinette stitch. Here you can go up like a half needle size or maybe 1 needle size depending on your tension. Because I don't have another size at the moment, I am going to add 10 increases, and because I would like my increases to be distributed evenly, I will divide the number of my stitches, that is 94, by 10. This would give me 9.4, and as you understand there isn't a decimal stitch, so what I'm going to do is to distribute the increases evenly. So I will knit 9 and increase 1 for 3 times, then I will knit 10 and increase 1 for 4 times, and then I will knit 9 and increase 1 for 3 more times. This would give me a total number of 104 stitches. So please let me knit my stitches first, and then I will get back to you. Let me check the number of my stitches. So I'm here where I should insert and increase. What I will do is I'm going to slip this next stitch as if to purl here, and then I'm going to take this strand of yarn from the previous round like this, and first I will place the yarn at the back, and now I'm going to knit this. So now I have 2 stitches here instead of 1. Now I am going to knit 9 stitches and then add my next increase. I explained how to add your increases. After I finish this round of increases, I will knit stockinette stitch for 20 centimeters. That is, at the end I should have 24 centimeters in total. I have finished knitting my stockinette stitch, which is part of the body of the sweater, and now I'm ready to start working my 2 rounds of lateral braid. So please watch my next tutorial on an easy way to knit a lateral braid in the round.